Hey guys, Cheeseburger Gaming here, and today I'm playing The Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion. So I got a few mods that are not working. You'll see right now. Wait for it, and then there we go. That's Uruk-hai, and there's also this is supposed to be a xenomorph, I guess how you say it, and this is supposed to be Altair, so I'm just not gonna use those mods. Okay, let's be I don't know, let's be a high elf. Let's randomize everything, see what happens. Oh Jesus, no, please no. Let's just make the most grossest character ever. Yes, okay, that works. Backpass. Okay. This is gonna be something horrible. It's like his face just got slapped or something. I don't even know what's going on right now. Go like sad. Why you make me ugly? Oh God, no. Oh God, oh God, oh no, oh God, no. Oh God, oh God, no, okay. Pretty sure that works. Okay. Yes, okay. This is great. Okay, I'll meet you guys when I make my character. There we go. That's our character, Olafius. He's amazing. Yes, I want to be a high elf. Okay. Move forward. Yes, okay. Terrain push. Shift. Oh.
Look at the high and mighty elf. Where's your dignity now, huh?
What?
Where's that famous high elf poise up there?
I hate you.
You know, my time's almost up. Pretty soon I'll be free, and you'll still be stuck in this rat.
I'm gonna kill you. How do I get out of here? What is this? Clicking every button I can. Oh! You wanna go? Come on, come on. Okay. Oh God, nothing. Let me out of here. I will demand to kill that guy right there.
My job right now is to get you to safety. What's this prisoner doing here? This cell is supposed to be off limits.
Usual mix up with the watch, but
Never mind. Get that gate open. Stand back, prisoner. We won't hesitate to kill you if you get in our way.
you, prisoner, stand aside. Over
By the window?
Stay out of the way and you won't get hurt.
Okay.
Stay put, prisoner.
Good.
Okay.
Let's go. We're not
I'm
out
good,
of this
Daddy.
yet.
You. I've seen you. Let me see your fate. You are the one from my dreams.
Pretty sure those are nightmares, not dreams.
Gods give me strength.
Yeah, what's going on?
Assassins attack my sons. My blades are leading me out of the city. By chance, the entrance to that escape.
And why am I in jail?
Perhaps the gods have placed you as for what you have done. That is not.
And who are you?
I am your emperor, Uriel Septim.
Of course. Okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna go.
Please, sire, we must.
Pretty sure I am from your nightmares, because this ain't gonna be no dreams. Oh, what?
Better not close this one. There's no way to open
What?
it from the side.
What's happening?
This doesn't concern you.
Okay, that's great. Let's go to get that. That's why we yay. Okay, I'm here. Now what? Let's go. Why you do this always? Okay, guys, let's go.
Stay back.
Mouse.
Close up left.
Where?
The Emperor.
What? Oh, Jesus Christ, no.
Don't try it.
Okay, what do I do? I press, oh, tab is my inventory, I guess. What was that? Oh. Oh, hotkey, oh, there? Oh, look. I don't need that, I have that already. Give me more potions.
Captain Venom. She's
Oh, god damn it. Ah, there you go.
Could they be waiting for us here?
Oh my god, there's there. Can I go through there?
No worries.
Looks like I can.
They won't be the first to underestimate the blades.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's move. You stay here. Don't try to follow.
Oh, what am I? Spray your weapon and fist push R to push it out. Oh, but okay, the block. Yes, okay, got that. What do I have? Oh, what? Oh, no. I knew it. I knew I was supposed to go through there, and I'm gonna die. I knew it. Ooh. One attack damage. And this is also the same. So I'll just take the gold. And I heard more rats. Attractor. Okay. Shield and bow and arrow. And this guy has a lot of stuff. Oh. There. Nailed it. Perfect. Perfect. Oh! What is this? What? What do I have to do? Oh! Okay, let's run the whole... Nice shot, thank you. Goblin Shaman. I can get a club. Ooh. Okay. Megatron. Well, I opened it with the key. I didn't even need to lockpick it. And by cast your spells. Is this the spell? Yep. Flare. Yes. Yes, almighty. Huh. Yes. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ, there's a lot of stuff. How? What did... I almost missed that. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, let's put this and this. Oh. Pretty sure I'll need those pants, thank you. Never mind, I don't need them. Oh well. Took them anyway. Thank you. Oh! Shogun. Huh. Well, that didn't work. Kill him all. Yep.